Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block specific addresses in Shopify. Using the shipping address condition, you can easily block specific addresses, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the shipping address condition. So first, we'll search for shipping address in the search bar. Then we'll select the rule type where this condition is available, Essential 1 or Essential 2. Here we can see that the shipping address condition is only available in Essential 2. If a condition is available in both types, you can select either one. Since the shipping address condition is available only in Essential 2, we must choose Essential 2, select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Shipping Address. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the Search option. Now you only need to copy address line 1 from the customer's previous shipping address. Do not copy the full address. You cannot use country, city, state/province, or postal code here. Those have separate conditions. For example, here I want to block this customer's order. I will not copy the full address. Here, customer name: John Wick, address line 1, 3790 South Las Vegas Boulevard, address line 2, Suite 210B, City, Las Vegas, Province/State, NV, Nevada, postal/zip code 89109, and country, United States. I will copy address line 1, 3790 South Las Vegas Boulevard. Now I will use address line 1, 3790 South Las Vegas Boulevard and add it to the rule. Next we choose Block if found and enter address line 1, 3790 South Las Vegas Boulevard. This means that if the order's address is 3790 South Las Vegas Boulevard, then the order will be blocked. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "Sorry, we cannot ship to your location. Please contact support for help." Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because the order's address, 3790 South Las Vegas Boulevard, is added to the cart, which we added in the rule. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's try to place the order by clicking on the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom. As expected, the order was not accepted. Now, let's change the shipping address and then check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!